nomads, the 70s, and Victoria Beckham have in common? This collection that I styled for Victoria Beckham for her fall 2011 dresses collection, runway collection for her brand, her high-end brand. So Victoria and I love me some Victoria Beckham, and I had the privilege of styling this collection for her in New York Fashion Week, and we had so much fun putting together this show and this concept and this collection, just because I don't know, she was really hitting her stride, and this is the first time that this show actually like went on as a show and not as like a presentation that would happen like 6 or 7 times a day for all the different editors and buyers. So this was exciting because it was the first like official runway show style program that she had done for her collection. So it was really exciting. It was a really big deal. My friend Michelle Lee was casting the models. She's one of my favorite casting directors in the world. We had Guido doing the hair, and he came up with that really cool black kind of wig cap style stocking cap concept to really show off the clothes. And then Charlotte Tilbury, who just does the most devastatingly beautiful makeup, who just kind of did this like sick, almost futuristic sheen on the face of the girls. And I was just so happy with how the color palette came out. I loved like 70s Louboutin boot that we did for the collection that Victoria asked Christian Louboutin to make as a special edition for the runway show. But I also love the fact that we kind of styled everything with the boot where you almost didn't see any skin on the girl's legs to kind of add that weird kind of futuristic covered up vibe. Now, another thing about this collection that I love is the first time she was showing coats. So we had the kind of ability to throw in something different from just her dress collection, which is what had been prior to that, and also to show off some of her amazing bags. The cashmere duffel bags, the jacquard honeycomb duffel bags are just incredible from this collection. I also love, like, this is the first time that Victoria was really starting to do pieces that fell away from the body. I think it had something to do, she was pregnant at the time while we were working on it together, and when we showed the collection, so it was the first time that she was really open to kind of doing something like t-shirt. We did these great cashmere t-shirt dresses and jacquard t-shirt dresses and kind of these amazing Silk Gazar bubble dresses that were the same style as the t-shirt dress but in a heavier fabric. And it was really cool to play with the silhouettes for the first time with her and watch her step out of her comfort zone and play with those kind of ideas. And I'm obsessed with the color palette. The color palette was so beautiful. Fun 70s moment. And you know, I don't know, it was just a sense of refinement. I love the space where we showed. It was an amazing house on the Upper East Side and off Fifth, between Madison and Fifth in the 60s. And yeah, and the floor was built especially for the show. I love the kind of geometric floor, kind of brought in that 60s, 70s, almost horror show reference, like almost like The Shining kind of vibe to it. But yeah, I don't know, it was so much fun to style this collection, mostly because it was such a change and, you know, such a huge move forward from the presentations we had been doing for the couple seasons before. So I love this collection. Check out the whole show. The beginning of the show, I love how it started with the kind of hoodie style dress with the little kangaroo pocket on it. When we were talking about inspiration, like for a woman and what is she doing and, you know, what is the kind of vibe for the clothes, we were really talking about a nomad and traveling, which she and I both do a lot. So, you know, it becomes an art and a format. And I was looking at, you know, pictures of nomads from National Geographic and people, you know, gypsies and people who don't really kind of necessarily ever make a home anywhere. And we were also looking at, like, I was also looking at Mad Max, and that's where some of the kind of concepts had come to do the rappy vibes with the belt on it. And also, I don't know, just from our idea of like how we want to dress and look in our life. And so, you know, and of course I was pushing for the t-shirt dresses because that's all I like to wear. But I love, you know, Victoria had come up with the idea of the really cool belts to put over things towards the end of the collection. And I love also the crinkled pleats we had done, like a 70s vibe, and there's the super mini versions at the end with all the little pleated dresses and the kind of foiling. And then I also love the beautiful mosaic glass embroidery on the top of the last dress, the long blue dress that goes in Silk Gazar that goes all the way to the ground. So I love this collection. I love styling it. It was so much fun, and I love working with Victoria Beckham. She is amazing, and we had so much fun styling this collection and doing this during New York Fashion Week. So check out Victoria Beckham, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Flashback Friday.